Just see? Wow, this vastness. That little boat. Oh, and the light in the water. I liked to have you here to see around. I am so proud. I am amazed, guys. Bujagh. Of course, it's part of a city. The city is called Kiashahr. It's food time. Our food is ready. We have some berries here. Hey guys! How are you? I am so excited today. Let's see where I am. Oh, here is so beautiful. Look. Oh. Just see? Wow, this vastness. This is a vast and big plain. Look at that little boat. Oh, and the light in the water. My God. Feel the silence? And nothing else. Silence. Silence and silence. And just what you see is color green. Some birds. Weather. Beauty of nature. And the sky. Please in the comments tell me your idea about this place, about this peaceful place. I am so excited. You don't know how excited I am, and we want to cook here and enjoy the moments. Be with me. I will show you the cooking too. I suppose they are fishing. Setash, what do you think? She can't speak English. Yummy food. Oh my God. Maida is cooking us a great and delicious food. I know she's a great cook. So let's see what happens. Nice. She knows how to work with foods. Yes. Let's go. The last part. I know it would be wonderful. What do you think? Yay! Hey! Let's look around. Just you and me, not anybody else. You hear the sound of nature? I love it. Oh my God. Just greenness. Those are my friends. They are getting ready to take some photos. Just tell me, how can I show you around this vastness? I like to have you here to see around. People here say that here has some cows, some different actually kind of cows and horses. They live here. People say that. And you've seen that here's a great plain, and as well it has a kind of lake that I've shown you some minutes ago. And here is again a village in Gilan, Iran, and the name of this village is Bujagh. Bujagh. Of course, it's part of a city. The city is called Kiashahr. It is Kiashahr, and here is Bujagh Plain. And if you search it in the Google map, you'll find it, and you can come and visit if you are a visitor to Iran, and you can enjoy this vastness and the silence. You can cook food, and you don't have to pay any entrance or something. Just if you have a car, or for example, you can actually take a taxi to get nearer to this place to come to Kiashahr, and then even you can walk from some parts of the city to this part, to this actually village part and plain part, as you see here right now. And I'm so happy I brought you here. And yeah, I like to visit some other places, even some other cities. I'm thinking of actually visiting some places such as Shiraz maybe, or Chabahar, or I don't know, Kish, Qeshm in Iran, that you may like to, you know. And that's it. That's do my glasses actually fit me? Do they suit? I always liked to be an explorer and to be a traveler, and I am right now living that kind of life I've always imagined, and it suits my spirit. I don't know how I can explain it, but visiting different places, breathing in those places, watching them, cooking in those places, and actually seeing the beauty of life. Life is not just actually earning money, working, going to school, going to university. Okay, then what? And I believe that every person has a path to take. And my path, I think that I have the responsibility to find it. And if the job I'm working at, I have it, is bothering me, let me use a better sentence, I don't have to continue just doing it just because I can earn money by that. The universe is vast. There are lots of ways to be in the place you want. not just you want, your heart wants, you know? Okay, let's explore more. My God, we have some berries here. Oh, yes. I love berries. What about you? There are lots of them. Look, oh my God. How beautiful they are. Look at them. This is the beauty of life. Just look. I am amazed, guys. Wow. It's food time. Our food is ready. Yummy. Yay. Oh my God. Look at the sky. We ate our lunch and the weather is getting different. I am so surprised. What about you?
ما که دعوا نداریم ما که دعوا نداریم با کسی هم کار نداریم ما که دعوا نداریم با کسی هم کار نداریم این دل عاشق من این دل کوچک من عاشق دلدارشم میخواد فقط و فقط یارشم میخواد عاشق دلدارشم میخواد فقط و فقط یارشم میخواد خودت میدونی که من چقدر دوست دارم خاطر تو میخوام جونمو بزنم
We have found some friends here, guys. Just look.
Hana